welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today we are going to go into CVS and we're going to be picking up some pretty easy all digital beginner friendly deals. And happy 4th of July, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing day with your friends and with your family. And as always, I'm really excited. I'm super excited that you guys are here, and I would love for you guys to be part of this channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deals and savings. And I have my cutie patootie over here because he doesn't have school today. So yeah, he's gonna go couponing with me and he's pretty excited. He likes to self-checkout. But yeah, so let's go in store and grab these easy beginner friendly deals. Let's go.
Our first deal is on the spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck. I'm going to go ahead and pick up hair care products. So I'm going to pick up this Pantene Miracle Boost, which are priced 2 for $16. I'm also going to go ahead and pick up the regular Pantenes, which are priced 3 for $15, and they're also part of the spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 3 of these, and I'm going to put them in my cart and go over the totals with you guys. Alright, so 5 of these products is going to be $31. I have this 5 off of 20 Pantene Hair Care CRT. I also have this $5 off of 2 Pantene for the pink bottles, as well as a $5 off of 3 digital coupon for the regular Pantenes. I would pay $16 at the register, get back a $10 extra buck. It makes my final cost only $6 for all 5 bottles, or $1.25 each. Another good deal is on the Axe body sprays or deodorants. These are buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So I'm going to pick up the ones that are $7.49. It's going to be $11.24. There is a $2 digital coupon. You would pay $9.24 at the register. Submit your receipt to Shopman for $2 cash back, and you're also going to get back a $4 extra buck. Makes your final cost $3.24 for both of these products. Colgate is on promotion. Spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck, and these are priced at $4.99. You're going to pick up 2 for $9.98. Use this $4 digital coupon. You would pay $5.98 at the register, get back a $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost only 98 cents for both. If you guys need dry shampoo, the Batiste is buy one, get one for 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. These are priced at $10.49, and purchasing 2 is going to be a total of $15.74. You're going to submit your receipt to ibotta for $2 cash back for each one, and you're also going to get back a $4 extra buck. It makes your final cost $7.74 for both, or $3.87 each. Our next deal is on the Banana Boat sunscreens. These are on promotion. Buy one, get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So these are priced at $12.79 at my store. The other one's going to be at 50% off. So it's going to total you $19.18. We do have 2 digital coupons, one for $2 and the other one for $4 off. These 2 are going to Glitch. You would pay $13.19 at the register, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $6 cash back, which is $3 for each one. Plus, you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. Makes your final cost just $5.18 for both, or $2.59 each, guys, which is an amazing deal. Sorry guys, nothing is really tagged at my store. All right, so the Bug Repellent sprays, they're on promotion. Spend 15 and get back a $5 extra buck. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up one stem product priced at $9.79 and one off Clean Feel priced at $10.79 because we have some amazing Ibotta rebates. These 2 products are going to total you $20.58. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 cash back for the stem, the off $3 cash back. There's also a $5 bonus for purchasing the stem and the off. And you're going to submit your receipt to Shopman for $3 cash back for the off spray, which is a total of $13 in rebates. Plus, you're going to be getting back a $5 extra buck. It's going to make your final cost only $2.58 for both of these products, or $1.29 each.
Guys, as you can see, this is my 4th of July. It's gonna rain again here, but yeah, everything went amazing in CVS. I want to go ahead and show you my receipts. and I want to give you guys some tips. The main thing with couponing at CVS is rolling your rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost, guys, which is amazing. CVS offers 3 forms of savings, which is the extra buck rewards, plus the store coupons, which are CRTs, plus our manufacturer coupons. So take advantage of those 3 forms of savings, guys, to maximize your savings, because you could continue rolling in your rewards. All right, so I want to go ahead and show you guys my first receipt, which was on, let me just show you guys, which were on these products. All right, on these products right here. My son wants chicken nuggets. I'm trying to work as fast as I can. So, all right, let me just show you. So right here, I paid $12.92, all right? I rolled in the extra box for my previous transactions for this deal, and I got back my $5 extra buck, all right? So I went ahead and submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $6 cash back for, you know, including the stem and the, what is it? The off, I'm sorry. Plus, I should be getting back that $5 bonus. Plus, I went ahead and submitted my receipt to Shopman for $3 cash back. That is a total of $14 in rebates. So that made my final cost free and a $1.08 money maker, guys, which is amazing. So that was a free deal. All right, so my next receipt was on the Colgate toothpaste and the Banana Boat sunscreen. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the receipts. So these are the receipts. So I had 2 coupons, 2 Banana Boat coupons, and those actually glitched. I didn't mean to do that, but oh well, it happened. It was there, those coupons. I paid $9.74 out of pocket. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got $6 cash back for both of those products. That made my final cost only $3.74, guys, which is amazing for that deal. All right, and then my last deal, well, that was actually my first deal. My very first deal was on the spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I did. All right, so, sorry, I'm jamming to Taylor Swift right here. All right, so this is the receipt. So I have the Pantene, and all of my coupons came off. I had the $5 CRT, the $5 digital coupons, plus I rolled in $15 in extra bucks, and I paid 84 cents, and then I got back my $10 extra buck, which I rolled into my other transactions. This was actually my first transaction. So yeah, so today I paid 84 cents. I got the off and the stem for free, and the Banana Boat was only $3.74. So my total out-of-pocket cost for all of these items was less than $5 after the rebates and me rolling in my rewards, taking advantage of CVS, you know, extra buck rewards, you know, to lower the out-of-pocket cost. So yeah, everything was less than $5 today, and I am super, super happy how everything played out. So yeah, let me show you guys. I got this. I got a ton of products. Super happy how everything just played out. I got this. These guys right here. I got this as well. I got Colgate. So yeah, everything less than $5, which is insane because this costs $4.99. So amazing, super happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I am really happy that you guys joined me for my couponing haul. And again, happy 4th of July, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.